Welcome to Tech Leveler. I'm Lee, and in this super quick video I'm going to show you how to disable touchscreen on Windows 11 or 10 PC. Now, first things first, you want to open up the search box here and search for Device Manager. After pressing DE, Device Manager should be best match here at the top. So let's open that up. And what we want to open up is Human Interface Devices. And you want to drop this down. And within this list here, you want to look for HID Compliant Touchscreen. Now, I have actually deleted these from my computer as I didn't want the touchscreen. But that's what you want to look for, or anything with touchscreen on. Now, I don't recommend deleting them fully in case you ever want to reactivate them in that case. So all you need to do in this case is highlight it. So I'll just highlight this one here and come up to Action and select Disable Device. And this will just disable it, and you can always come back in and enable it. So what you want to look for is anything with HID compliant touchscreen. Now, if yours doesn't say HID compliant touchscreen, you want to look for anything what says touchscreen. In some instances, you may have multiple items what say touchscreen. For instance, it might be Surface Touch Pen Processor, something like that, or Surface Touch Communications, and you may have multiple. Select them, disable them, check the touch, and then once you're happy, that should help you out how to disable touchscreen on Windows 11 or 10 PC. Hope you found that video helpful. If you did, smash the like, smash the subscribe, and thank you for watching.